Hi, my name is E.Lopez. In this video, I'd like to discuss my land art assignment where I began at home. I started to figure out the best way to make this project. Then I decided to choose this art piece, which is shown. These materials that I used for this artwork, it started with grass as the background in this piece. Since the grass is green, it may reflect a healthy world where life's growth in numbers through time, showing the grass roots growing out of the artwork and inside the piece, able to grow out hope, love, and strengthening effectively within these times in crisis. I then use rock pebbles for this outline between the reptile bark and the grass, creating a thicker layer upon the whole piece, whereas making a pattern as a spiral that I chose. Rocks may be rough when making any pattern, by noticing the shape I made to reflect my mood, where the line began from the center to slowly, smoothly spread out the center all around, leaving an endless pattern, although the size is minimized, which is just to know the concept of what reflects. Later, I used reptile bark for filling in the spiral shape, meaning coloring nature's environment of how natural to witness all these beauty things of what's life left in this life. Despite having stayed indoors, which some contain crowded places where we live by, exploring the outdoors can come within our minds, where we struggle in any types of categories of within our experiences. Lastly, the finishing touch will be a cross made of a few leaves, which depict a reference to my family's religion or Christianity that symbolize truth, hope, life, and that salvation, given from the times of the New Testament. In my opinion, using these materials to use for my work shows a uniqueness, having an ability to create anything based on the mind while we see. Then through time, it'll evolve. Yeah, it's just show of believers, dreamers, to believe in those kind of things. The reason I chose these materials is to reflect the art skills of an artist and a once a dreamer, no matter how great they are, unless they had a meaning within every work which signifies their passion, even their mood, while experiencing martyr times. In my perspective upon my artwork is expressing hope and in time, as believing in my religion along with what I express, able to make a shape like the spiral shown, flowing smoothly as it is strengthened with faith, and loving upon this world without these current events or those horrible cases that have happening right now. Just hold the grip upon goodness that sometime it may reveal. The results of this piece are fair, which I did quite well on the description of this piece, explaining why I did this way. But mostly I enjoy spending my time uncovering my ideas in which I will depict out. And yes, that's all for this video, knowing my purpose for making my land artwork. Goodbye and thanks for watching.